Ever pondered the inner workings of the world's quickest engines? Buckle up because we're going to take you on a trip through the fascinating world of engines, where the cost of speed isn't simply calculated in terms of money, but also in terms of jaw-dropping horsepower and pounding revolutions per minute. Ladies and gentlemen, gearheads and thrill seekers, welcome back to Car Computer Exchange. Get ready to shift into high gear as we dive headfirst into the comparison that'll leave you speechless. The price of speed, comparing $5,000 engines to $10 million engines. Hold on to your seats as we embark on an engine-exploding adventure, dissecting the science, technology, and sheer audacity that make these engines go from zero to insanity in the blink of an eye. We're peeling back the curtain on the world of engines that don't just roar. They redefine what's possible on four wheels. Whether you're a die-hard car aficionado or simply someone who appreciates the symphony of raw power, you're in for a treat. In this turbocharged video, we're breaking down the components, diving into the numbers that make your head spin faster than a race car, and revealing the untold secrets behind what it takes to build an engine capable of pushing boundaries that were once thought unbreakable. Normal engine performance and cost. Imagine you're behind the wheel of a Ford Fiesta SD, the nifty little road rocket that combines practicality with a dash of fun. Under its hood lies the heart of the matter, a 1.6-liter EcoBoost engine. Don't let the size fool you. This engine is a workhorse, churning out a respectable 197 horsepower. It's the kind of power that makes merging onto the highway feel like a breeze. And trust me, you won't mind that extra oomph when you're running late for brunch. But here's where it gets even cooler. This pocket-sized dynamo comes with a price tag that's easier on the wallet than your average weekend shopping spree. At a modest $6,000, it's like getting a high-performance engine for the cost of a couple fancy dinners. And it's not just a one-time thrill. This engine is built to last, clocking in a lifespan of around 200,000 miles before it even considers asking for a tune-up. The Fiesta SD's engine is the definition of reliability, fuel-efficient, easily serviceable, and ready to hit the road at a moment's notice. Whether you're a daily commuter or an adventure seeker, the Fiesta SD's engine delivers a smooth and exhilarating ride, making every journey unforgettable. Its impressive fuel efficiency ensures that you can go the distance without breaking the bank on gas. With its reliable performance and longevity, this engine is a true investment in both quality and affordability. Formula One engine performance. Now, let's take a detour from the everyday to the extraordinary. We're entering the realm of Formula One, where speed isn't just a thrill, it's a religion. You're standing trackside as a Formula One car rockets past you. That ear-splitting roar? That's not just noise. It's the symphony of over 1,000 horsepower being unleashed by a 1.6-liter turbocharged engine. That's right, a tiny engine capable of propelling a car to speeds that will make a fighter jet blush. The engine performance in Formula One is truly mind-boggling. These engines are the pinnacle of automotive engineering, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The combination of advanced technology and meticulous craftsmanship allow these cars to achieve incredible speeds and acceleration, making them a true marvel to behold. And the party doesn't stop there. This F1 engine revs up to a mind-boggling 15,000 RPM. To put that in perspective, your normal car would throw in the towel at a mere fraction of that speed. It's like comparing a sprinter to a speedster from another dimension. But wait, there's more. This technological marvel weighs in at a featherweight 145 kilograms. And oh, don't even get me started on that unmistakable engine sound. It's not just an engine note, it's a full-on symphony that raises the hairs on your arms. Alright, speed aficionados and curious minds, are you still with us? Ready to rev up your understanding of what makes these engines tick? Great, because we're about to hit the nitrous button on knowledge and take this exploration into overdrive. So, fasten your seatbelts and let's dive right back into the price of speed, comparing $5,000 engines to $10 million engines. Ready? Let's roll. Understanding the cost difference. Alright, time to talk numbers. The kind that might make your wallet gasp for air. Imagine this. For a Formula One team to lay their hands on these high-octane powerhouses, they're looking at a whopping $10 million per engine. Yes, you read that right. It's the kind of price that could fund a small village or buy you a cozy mansion with a view. But hold on, there's more to the story. Buying the engines is just the tip of the iceberg. When you add up research, development, and production costs, the total bill skyrockets. We're talking about an industry where the quest for perfection is relentless, where every horsepower gained or lost could mean the difference between victory and defeat. And remember that annual supply of engines for a team? That'll set them back for a cool $16 million. To put it mildly, Formula One engines are the Formula One of expenses. Engine reliability and complexity. Behind every deafening roar and blistering speed is a challenge. The challenge of reliability. Formula One engines dance on the edge of extreme demands. They rev higher, push harder, and endure more than your average engine ever dares to dream of. And it's not just about power. It's about precision, engineering brilliance, and tolerances so tight they'd give a snare drum a run for its money. The complexity of Formula One engines is a testament to the cutting-edge technology and innovation that go into their design. Every component is meticulously engineered and tested to ensure optimal performance on the track. From advanced materials to intricate fuel injection systems, these engines are a marvel of modern engineering. The pursuit of reliability in Formula One engines is a constant battle as teams strive to find the perfect balance between power and durability. Picture this. Watching an F1 engine in action is like watching a perfectly choreographed ballet of components working in harmony. Every piece must withstand forces that'll buckle most metals and temperatures that'd make your barbecue jealous. They're crafted from materials that have seen it all, including engines from Spitfire planes in World War II, a testament to technology's timeless wonders. Unveiling the price of precision. Now, let's dive deeper into the heart of what makes Formula One engines the pinnacle of engineering excellence: precision. We're not talking about just getting the job done. We're talking about crafting each part with a level of detail that would make a watchmaker blush. Every piston, every bolt, and every component are scrutinized under the microscope of perfection. It's a world where tolerances are measured in microns, and quality control is a way of life. The torque applied to each bolt, the stretch of every component, it's all recorded and analyzed down to the last decimal. This obsession with precision isn't just for show. It's a necessity born out of the unforgiving environment of the racetrack. One misstep, one miscalculation, and the race's dreams could crumble in a cloud of smoke. And there you have it, a journey through the world of engines that don't just power vehicles, they power dreams. From the humble roadsters to the roaring giants of Formula One, every engine has a story to tell. It's the tale of precision and power, of pushing boundaries and defying odds. But before we wrap up this ride, remember this. While the price of speed can be measured in dollars, the value of the experience is truly priceless. So whether you're a speed demon or just someone who appreciates the symphony of machinery, let this video be a reminder that the pursuit of perfection, whether in a Ford Fiesta or a Formula One monster, is what drives innovation and keeps us moving forward. And there you have it, folks. A journey through the roaring world of engines that'll make your heart race faster than a dragster off the line. From the everyday to the extraordinary, we've explored the incredible science, mind-bending numbers, and jaw-dropping costs that power our passion for speed. But guess what? This isn't the finish line. It's just the starting grid. If you've had as much fun as we have unraveling the mysteries of horsepower and precision engineering, then buckle up, because there's a lot more where that came from. So, hit that subscribe button and join the Car Computer Exchange family for more exhilarating rides, mind-blowing facts, and turbocharged content that'll keep your engines revving. Until next time, stay curious, stay driven, and keep that pedal to the metal.